Join me as I share stories of my life as a kid, bringing junk home and turning it into something useful. Fact is, I'm still doing this today at age 69. As I create these videos for you, my viewer, my hope is that something I say or share will be useful to you. And that's why the title of this channel is Can It Be Fixed? I love fixing junk that others discard. There's something about bringing life to discarded junk that makes me feel good about myself. But that's not the main reason for this channel. The reason I am doing this is for you, my viewer. You matter to me, and I hope my life will make a difference in your life. I enjoy sharing my experiences not because I like talking about myself, but because I care about you, my viewer. My projects may vary, but my message will always stay the same. Through my stories and Fixit projects, I will encourage and challenge you to do what you can and forget the rest. If this sounds interesting to you, join me as we work through these projects and life together.